To dish out food with a serving spoon, begin by manually rotating your thumb fully toward the side. Place your other hand in a fist inside your prosthesis to stall the thumb, index, and middle from closing. Place the serving spoon in your prosthesis with the top of the handle in between the base of the index and thumb, and the lower part of the handle between the middle and ring knuckles for an extra secure grip. Note that this in between the knuckles grip can be a great option for holding any eating or writing utensil. Send a close signal until you hear the ratcheting sound of Vari-grip. Then, using your other hand to hold the pan, scoop out the blocks or food with the serving spoon and place on the plate. Remove the serving spoon from your grasp by sending an open signal.